In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot custom properties. Starting from your HubSpot home dashboard, open Settings in the main navigation. In the sidebar, choose Properties. You'll land on the Properties area by default, where all of your custom fields live. Here in the Properties tab, we have three key sections to organize data. The Conditional Logic tab, where you can set rules to show or hide fields based on a user's previous answers. The Groups tab, which lets you categorize related properties for a cleaner layout. And the Archive tab, where you can find and restore fields that aren't currently in use. Understanding these will help you keep your database tidy as it grows. To add a new field, select Create Property. That opens the creation form. First, fill out the basic details. The property label is the display name you and your team will see in records and reports. I'll use Feline Wellness as an example, representing a pet care property. Clear, human-readable labels make reporting and list building easier later. Next, choose a field type. For this walkthrough, pick single-line text, which works well for short, free-form inputs. If you need dates, numbers, dropdowns, or checkboxes, you could choose those instead, but we'll keep it simple. If you want to fine-tune anything, click Edit More Options. In Details, confirm the property label as Feline Wellness. For object type, keep Contact, and set the group to order information so it appears alongside related fields. In the description box, type niche pet care site for cat owners. Be specific here. A clear description helps teammates, and your future self, know exactly why this field exists. Open field type again to verify it's set to single-line text. Then move to Rules. Property rules establish guardrails for your data by defining visibility, validation, and input constraints such as allowed characters or case sensitivity. For example, visibility options let you decide whether a property is shown on forms or within chat flows. Thoughtful rules improve data quality and user experience. You'll also see Manage Access. This is where you control who can view or edit the property. Depending on your subscription and permissions, you may need administrator access to change these settings. When everything looks right, click Preview Form to see how the property appears. If the preview matches your expectations, choose Create in the top right. Back in the Properties list, use the search bar to find your new field. I'll type Feline Wellness, and there it is, the property we just created. That's all you need to add a custom property in HubSpot. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.